stitch.
Oh my
The
God.
wheel to my kids.
Jesus.
I'm sure y'all deal with bigger stuff than this.
No,
No?
not with this
That's
type
my
of
wife and her friend. They gotta be special and bougie. That's just how the shit
Bougie,
goes.
yes.
not with this type of little turn right here.
Hold on. Straighten it out a little bit.
Good. Cause I still gotta have room to move the dolly out.
Okay, so what you want to do?
Drop it down.
I thought we were gonna pick it up the steps to the square area.
That's what you want to do?
Yeah.
Okay.
Then we can just remove the dolly and all lift up and try and get that shit turned.
Alright. Oh, Jesus. Alright, if y'all let it lean back your way, I'll get the dolly out. Alright. Got the dolly? Can somebody grab it?
Do it to that first step and then pick it up.
Yeah, it looks
Yeah,
like
that first step.
It looks
So
like.
listen, somebody's gonna have to have the top, because once I go low on it,
I can keep it from 2.
Yeah, and I'll carry it up on this side.
so let it lean back just a little bit, so I can get my fingers in it. A little bit more.
Keep going, keep going, keep going.
Oh shit.
Keep going. You got it. Oh yeah.
Can you stand it?
I can't get in front of it. Back this way.
Get it straight down. I'll let you bring it again. There we go.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
That's about it. Push the button.
Oh fuck, that was all on the knees. All in the knees. Oh shit. Does this make up for me fucking up your house?
Oh, we still gotta get that done.
Oh shit. Okay. What? Oh. Can't.
Alright, let me raise up. I got the back. Let me raise up. Alright. What you wanna do? Pick it up? Stand up straight?
We'll have to stand it straight up.
He gonna have to come back to you. Look, you take that corner, I'll take this corner. Come on, lean back. Alright, gotcha.
Oh shit.
Alright, set it back down.
Okay.
Alright. It's on the ground. Turn it. Yep.
Oh shit.